I think so it's live, yeah. And this is my first day at trading, like live trading. I've been doing this before. About a year ago, I started it, but from now on, I thought I should go live. That's how I could just, uh, keep my rules and follow my rules. If in the future someone is gonna see this video, they're gonna be like, okay, this guy did follow or did not follow. I don't know. I'm I'm currently in drawdown of $500 on a $10,000 account of funding pips. Uh, my strategy is simple, and I think so. I think so. There is not much to see on my chat. It is much to see. Uh, what I mean to say is that um, what I mean to say is that I have no viewers right now. Okay, I'm just setting up my things. Okay, my strategy is simple. I guess you can see my screen. I don't know who am I talking to, and I can't even see myself. But I guess okay. I guess I'm doing it right. I don't know whether I think so. I'm having. I'm doing this. Okay. So simple. My strategy is simple. You can see I have no like indicators or anything like that. It's just simple. I mark this zone for buys and this zone for sell. This is okay. I'm gonna put some if the candle broke below, we have a clean traffic down. How many pips? I think so. We have 175 pips. Okay, it's a good sell if we get it, because okay, I'm gonna start from the very basic. I'm gonna delete everything that I've marked so I can make it clear. Okay, at the moment we are going bearish. These are my some trades, some gone in profit, some are in loss, but most of them are in loss at the moment because I don't follow my rules. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna delete all of these lines. You can see I have no indicators, so I'm just putting lines and everything. Okay, on daily time frame, we are in a downtrend. Okay, so I don't use the straight lines or anything. Okay, so right now I am just okay, that's an issue now. Okay, forget it. Right now we're in on a daily time frame. We see it on a downtrend. Market is going bearish. Then we move to 4 hours, and I'm not thinking. This is something I don't follow. Okay, so right now we have support over here, and we have some resistance marked over here, somewhere over here. Yeah. So on 4 hours, this is our resistance, and this is our support. And on 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna see we're getting some. Okay, this is the 4 hours on the same. The 1 hour, the support of 1 hour is the same as 4 hours, but for the resistance we are almost in a okay, this is how many pips over here. We're gonna put our resistance on this level because it'll be much better, because if we break through this, we have clean range from this to this as almost 266 pips. That's okay. That's really good. And if we go to 30-minute, we would see that we are creating a resistance over here, which was a resistance before. We close below the resistance, and if we go, we can create a support over here like this. But preferably, I would go for this support over here. This is a better support because it's not a clean traffic. I don't trust clean traffic, as I am not so I'm not so, what do you call it? I'm not so good at right now. Good at trading. I am. It's been just one year. It's been 14 months now that I've been in trading. I've so far lost so many accounts, more than I would say. I guess I have lost more than 10 accounts, funded accounts. I'm currently. I know my strategy, but it's very hard to follow the rules. I know my rules. I know where to start and where to stop, but when it comes to following your rules, it's very hard. You need to have a self control. The thing that trading taught me is a self control. So I think so. The best thing I would have learned so far from the market is to control yourself. I can control myself, even though I lost many trades because of that. But just to make myself clear that I can control myself, I don't trade aggressively. In the past few months, I was about to clear my funded account. Like I've been up for 98%, and boom, I just blew that account. It happens. I don't know. Right now the market, even though it's let me see, it's right now the New York is open. We're at resistance 30-minute, and then we're going on 15-minute. It's on 15-minute. You can see it's ranging right now. But if we see that, if we see from here till here, it's almost 180 pips. So on a 15 minute, we have a good clean range for sell as well. And I think so we should go for buys after this. I don't want to trust. I don't want to trust gold on this part. How many pips are these? 180 pips. Okay, that's fine. Because I don't want to do a bad trade because of that. But as I know, I can put my. I don't know what's wrong with my cam. Okay. My cam just died. I had to change the batteries, but okay, the market is pushing out from this resistance. Okay. What I would do, I would mark my resistance over here because it's better to be safe, because from here it's not clean. We have a clean traffic over here, so almost 300 pips, 3100 pips, 310 pips, or 31, sorry. So we have a clean range for 300 pips for buys, but I'm not gonna go with this breakout. This is not my type of breakout. I want a clean range. I want a candle to break like this. If we can break like this, I'll be looking for buys. But before that, I can't trust gold. Gold is very volatile, and I can't trust on gold. My battery pack just died, and I had to change the batteries. I've been doing this for a very long time now. I was not expecting my camera would die so early, but I need to change that back. I'm going to buy another battery. It takes time to charge, but we're just waiting for breakout to happen. I know my video is not there, but I hope you can hear me. There's no one, literally no one on the stream. This is the first time I'm streaming, and I hope so. I'll follow my rules because of this. If we break below if we break below this, then I am interested in sells. Otherwise, no, I can't. I have to wait. trust gold. And the gold is the only pair I trade on. I don't look at silver or any other thing. No oil, no currency pairs, nothing. From the day one, when I started trading, my friend just told me about this and he was doing it already. But at that time, he used to give me signals, and we were in break-even state at that time, and I'm about to break even right now as well. But at the moment, I don't need signals. I prefer doing it on my own. The market right now is pushing up, but we have to wait. We have to see a break above this level. Only and if only then we can take a buy. And if market closes below this line, we're gonna wait for sells. Even though it's New York. New York time, but no volume in the market. I don't know. Gold is just like this. It's unpredictable. You can't predict gold. It is something. It is what it is. You know, you can't. You have to be patient. You have to look for. Yesterday, I kept sitting for the whole day to catch this move. This one. I marked this zone, and I know whenever the market, because if we see it behind, it was a clean, it was a very big range. If it, and below this you get a clean traffic. You see, from here to this, you get a clean traffic. We're almost 450 pips. Oh my god. Okay, so I was waiting, but according to my rules, market didn't give a little retrace. It could have gone a little back, then I could have taken a sell, but I just kept waiting, and I kept watching the market fall, and boom. How many pips I just lost yesterday without I lost 620 pips. Oh my god. 620 pips I lost. But it's okay. It's okay. And you know what happened today? Today in the morning, I woke up for Asian session. I took a trade somewhere about here. Yeah. I marked this zone, and if market breaks below this zone, I'm gonna go for sells. And market did that. Market did trace that. I did took that. And you know what happened afterwards? And I got almost 90 pips I got, because my stop loss take profit was here. It's almost 83 pips. So what happened? I was not on my system. I was on my cell phone. I was doing trading because it was in America. My system is in my office. I was doing this on my cell phone, and just after the I took a profit. And what happened? I just saw my account. It was a demo account. I switched to Democon. I don't remember when I did that, but I was happy that at least my what do you call it? My setup was right. That made me feel happy, but I couldn't go up a bit on my funded account. That's fine, you know. Uh, that's fine. Market is okay. Now we're here. Yeah. We need market to close above this range. Uh, Simple as that. If market break above and close above this line like this, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go for buys. That's like this. But for now, we have to wait for market to break above, or I'm gonna put the same thing here. If we break below this, okay, I'll change the colors. I'll change the colors to red. I'll change. Okay, I don't have my headphones, cell phones. Yeah. Uh, yeah, just live on my YouTube. See, I didn't trust it, this one. If it could have just break above this, even though it just broke above this, but it didn't close. I want the market to okay, now the volume is coming, you know, because the spread is getting wider, and if the market break above this level, we're going to look for potential buys. But if the market stays down, we're not gonna do anything. We just wait for our market to break above or break below. Then we're gonna see what market is about to do. Before that, we're just gonna wait. It's the patience is what gold requires. If you don't have patience, you can't do anything. You literally can't do anything. The only thing, like I said before, from the day one, what I was introduced to in trading was gold, and today I am trading in gold, even though I'm not profitable. I just want to keep myself to my rules. I don't want to break them, and the only way I can do that is to follow my rules on the stream, because if in the future someone's going to see my video, if I keep going, and I think so, I will keep doing that. If someone sees my video, okay, the market is pushing, but we're not going to take any trade, and until our mark level is not met, we don't see a break above this level, we're We can't do that. In the beginning, when I was introduced to trading about a year ago, my friend was doing many things in that. He was doing BTC, he was doing gold, he was doing currencies. But I like gold. I didn't like currencies even at one time. Uh, I just opened a lot, same as gold, into BTC, and I didn't know about BTC at all. And when I opened the same lot, oh, I can see my values going up and down. Like it was massive. Then he told me that okay, the spread and market values are different. You need to look for something else. So okay, the market is closed, but we're not gonna go. We just gonna wait for either break above or break below. Simple. We don't need any indicators. And like I said, I see myself whenever I follow my rules, I do win a trade. When I do this gambling stuff, then I'm just straight going down. I lost. Okay. Yeah. We don't go. I don't go below 15 to 5 minutes or 1 minute. No, that's not what my game is to do. I just stay on 15 minutes and see what market is doing. Because at least 15 minutes is the best. 30 minutes enough, but you can't trust gold below 15 minutes. That's what I've been told by the market itself. My camera just died. The battery died. But it's the first stream, and I'll be doing every day to see whether I'm good at it or not. And I hope I'm good at it. And I hope you can see my screen. Can you? Can you see my screen? Yeah, you can. I can see it on my software. Yeah. The market sometimes make me laugh. Okay, on 1 hour the market is very bullish. On 4 hour the market is bullish, but overall we're in a downtrend. So we have resistance on 1 hour on what's the price over here? We have resistance on 45.10. If only we break above 45.10, then only we're gonna look for potential buys, and the range is about 260 pips. Yeah, 260 pips. I think so. It's a good thing. It's a good range, but I don't think so. Gold's gonna give you this. No, gold is not letting you have something. Okay, I'm gonna do something else as well. I'm just gonna enable my Chrome. Window capture. You can see my screen, right? Can you? I can see them. close the extra tabs. That's on there. Okay. Okay. For now, we had news in London session CPI for pound. That didn't really go well. At that time, market was very volatile. But we can't trust news. I don't trade news. We have for wait a minute at 9 p.m. today. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna see for this week. Okay. Today and tomorrow we have that's Australian. Oh, I don't give. Okay, I'll follow that. Then we have GBP speaks. Government Bailey speaks. I don't know who that is. There's no major news in dollar. That means the market is gonna go calm and steady. And yeah, there's nothing much more than that till Friday. Okay. Right now, we are in London and New York. Still, we have no even though it's very high time, it's the best time to be on the market. Still, we don't have any sort of big movements happening in the market right now. This is what gold is, you can't trust gold at all. You need to be patient. The patience is the key. You know your strategy, you know your or you know your system. The only thing I lack in is being patient, and that's what I'm making myself good at that. Whenever I'm on the charts, I don't rush for trade. I just go for a very polite and very calm response to the market. just because of that, I just lost a trade yesterday, and I was a bit mad about that. This trade was very good, a very good potential sell. It could have given me around more than 500 pips. But it is what it is, That's what we're looking for. This zone is about consolidating zone is about 180, 170 pips. Okay. You see how market moves. It's making side waves. The thing I just learned in my bachelor's. Nothing use of that, I swear. Everyone I know, they're just stuck with something else. The only thing boys get was the one who used to sit on the front lines in my bachelor's. Very volatile. And it's Wednesday today. 20th of May 2026. My first live. My webcam is not on because I was using my camera to get a better result, but the battery just died. I'll charge the battery just today, and then I'm gonna come tomorrow live with my video as well, because right now you can't see me. I know you piece of good boys. You see, if if I had marked my breakout over here, breakout somewhere over here, it did break out, but boom, it's going down. So unless you get a clean traffic on the left hand side, left hand side driving is better. You must it's like my strategy is just like crossing the road. You have to see your left side, just on one side. You don't go for the right side, you just see for the left side. And if you see there is no traffic, no traffic for 300 pips, you go for buys. And if you don't have any traffic for sells, we have 165 pips. Okay, you see, markets just not good right now. It should be good. Nothing actually happening right now. Nothing happening right now. If we see on 30 minute, we're just ranging on 30 minute, we're ranging on 15 minute. It was a fake breakout. If it gives you a fake breakout on one side, that means it's gonna go big on the opposite side. It just gave a fake breakout on the buy side for this level. I don't trust this level. I trust this level because I have a resistance over here. I have resistance over here and then here. So I prefer this one. So if I would mark my resistance over here, you see, I would have been stopped out. So until you get a clean traffic on your left hand side, don't go for any trade. It's my personal opinion. What I have learned through the whole year I've been trading, I've taken so many losses, I've blew many accounts. You just need to be and the best thing you can do if you want to do trading, if you want to be a good trader, you just keep showing up. One day or another, you will hit your TP, the biggest TP you want. The market is right now, the New York's open. Not the New York's is not open right now. NYSE is not open. It's 8:57 a.m. in New York right now, and it's 1:57 in London right now. So there should be some volume in the market. Unfortunately, there is no volume. No volume. Now, if the market closes below this level, if it prints like this, small like this, and then we might go for some good sells. Oh my god. I like that. I like that. I like that. 0.3. 0.02. That's really nice. 4497. 4497. Where is that? Okay. What time frame you might be looking for? I don't know. I get it. I get it. That's good. Okay. Like I said, wait. Okay. Been there, done that. For 30 minutes, it's clean traffic as well. Ooh, okay, 167 pips. If it closes below, we have good. So sometimes what happen is when I put some if it's breaking out from this area and everything happens according to my rules, like I just break above and do everything what I want it to do, and the very next moment it just start giving me some panic attacks because it just goes all the way opposite to what I thought, and this is what gold is about. Unpredictable. You can't predict anything about gold. The only thing you can predict about is your rules being followed, and if you know your rules, you know you have won on those rules, you should stick to it, you should follow it, and keep your strategy there. Follow your rules. If you're I was just reading a quotation about the market. It said a fourth trade might not give you the profit you need, but it will give you the loss you don't need. Oh my god, that was epic. And that explains a lot. You shouldn't be forcing a trade in it. If you force a trade, I don't think so. That's a good idea. Just wait for your setup to form. If not today, tomorrow. If not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And you know what? The market is at a psychological level as well. But if I guess psychological level, we're just gonna look for a breakout. Wherever it breaks it out, we're gonna have a good buy or sell. Actually, I was hoping to get a trade over here as well. Over here for buys, and it did break out, but the time is not right. I can't go further because I need volume in the market, and you see there was no volume in the market. Now we have New York open, and then we're gonna have some volume, and then only we're gonna look for any trade. Inside, and if we see how many pips were there, if we go because if if it would have been going like this, after this, I see a red candle printing, I would have moved my stop loss to this white line level, and so no trading without the volume. Somebody just hung up on me. Let's go live. This is the first time I'm going live. I don't know. And today is 5/20/2026, 20th of May, and 2026. Okay, there's volume. If you see the spreads like this, you see the volume. And whenever there's volume, there's a big market, big fish in the market. You just wait. You just wait. Wait for your setup to form. 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 Bam, 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 bam. It is what it is. See, these days, whenever Trump says something, the market's like Iran threatens to extend conflict beyond the region if US and Israel resume terror. Okay, yeah. You know, that's not a good thing. They both should stop fighting now. It's not good for anything. And obviously, I don't want that to happen at all. And fighting is not a good thing. There should be peace. Should be love everywhere. Nobody showed up. Only one person showed up, and that's who I count the most on. Only one guy. Hi. Hi, brother. Yeah, he's been there and done that. He's my top fan. You get a badge as well. I like it. Only you knew that I'm live right now. That's why you are only on the live. If anyone else would have known that, even then you'll be the only one who will be there. I know everyone. Voice is too low. Low is the voice, what you say? If voice is too low, get low. low when the whistle blow. Boom, ba-bum, 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 bum. I don't know what's wrong with my mic. I just bought it new. Can't hear you properly. Voice is too low. Bro, I'm doing my best. Doing my best to be in the best. I'm speaking as much as loud as I can. Pop, 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 pop. Can't hear you. Okay. I know why you can't hear me. Because you don't have your headphones. Put your headphones, brother. Put your headphones. Haha, you know, the mark is one less lonely. I'm not a big fan of Justin Bieber. Your fever is never. When I grew up listening to his songs, it just came in my mouth. And just started singing. I don't know why. I haven't heard that song from a really long time even. It just came. I don't know why. You know, since I'm speaking so much, my throat is getting so dry. I have to drink water after every 2 minutes. Concurrent viewers. That's just one views, just one chat rate too, and like do. Market is not. It's not a good friend. Only the trend is your friend. You have to see the trend. Just see the trend right now. The trend is in down. It's down. Going down. Why am I singing Justin Bieber? Daily. Okay. This says 4 hours, and I just marked my resistance on 4 hours. One less lonely girl. I don't know why the market's not having volume in it. It should have volume, you know. It's 1 hour just closed. Bearish, giving us a good resistance over here. But it's a small range. We don't look for small ranges. At least. Nope. Can't trend. Can't trust this. So no. Fire. Let's go along this. One less lonely girl. Da. How many promises? Okay. No JB song. No JB songs. Just random. I don't know where I'm gonna get some. Bro, can you listen to me now? Because I'm speaking so loud. Is anybody home? Anybody? Nobody's there. Nobody's there. Just me. Just me. Me and you. Me and you. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is 30 minute. We're at a resistance level. On 15 minute, we are at a resistance level. levels printing side by side, bro. In New York session, ooh, not a good thing to see. No, not a good thing to see. You see, now the market's pumping. Now the market's pumping, you know? Now the market's pumping. Now the market's pumping. Pumping. Now the market's pumping. Now the market's pumping. But no go before it breaks above. No go, no go. Go, go, go. Okay. One less lonely. Okay. Still low. Bro. What I can do is that you can wear your headphones. That's the only thing I can do right now, because I'm speaking as loud as much as I can, but more than that I can't do anything, because I can't speak out loud. I'm in a place I can't speak much louder than this one. You see, another 15 minutes closed, and it just closed just the resistance level of the market of the previous 15-minute high. This is where we are right now. So, like I said, until we break about this, this level, if we see something like this, then and only we're gonna look for buys. Before that, bye bye. Bro, I'm speaking as much as I can. I can't speak more louder than this. You need to raise up the wall. How long will it take for me? You see, that's why I said look for a clean traffic on your left hand side. If we break above, I will translate it. You know what I think is if you're looking for if you're looking for if you have a range about like 164 pips, you roughly should be getting 120 or 130 pips out of it, because the market's not gonna close just according to you. It's gonna make his own terms. Like it's not gonna close like this, and then you're gonna have a sell. Market's gonna close might be like this. You know? The market might close like this. Market's gonna close. So from here, we have 120 pips. You see, it's never gonna be these things. You're not gonna get the whole fruit. You're just gonna have a chunk, and I think so. The chunk is enough. In the beginning, the chunk is more than enough. You don't need more than that. Bro, you still there? I want someone to be there. Because I know you will be there, bro. Yeah. You see? Like I said, market. If I would have marked this is in New York session. Get these candles. They're printing side by side. What happened to market? It's because the market might have given its push in this in Asia. Market might have given the push in Asia, so but I don't really see for that much. I would just see for if it's getting breakout on each side. Any side we're having a breakout, I'm gonna go for. So if the rules I have written are following. And you know what? New York didn't expect it differently. Sometimes I don't get frustrated now because I have told myself that no matter what happens, stay calm. But whenever SL happens, I'm like, oh, why an SL? And the best thing to put that in your mind is something that's the most important part of trading, that you will have losses. Like I have been facing losses in the past whole year since day one. I'm trading. I'm not profitable at the moment, but if I get profitable, I might get something out of it. I get something out of it. At the moment, I'm not profitable. It's my, I don't know, it's my 10th, 11th account that I'm doing already. You see, see London happening, you see New York happening, and still you don't see no volume, bro. That's something cooking in the market. It's 424 over here. Before every trade, I go to this website, Forex Factory, to see whether I'm having a big news so that I can save myself from, because I've faced so many losses just because I was following everything. I didn't see the news, because news is very volatile. For like for gold, news matters a lot. I don't know about currencies or crypto. I don't know anything. But for gold, it is it is very important to see whether you are having news coming up or not. It's very very hard. Okay. So we are about to see a NYSE open, and you see the market it's going down. If it closes below this line and retraces back, then okay, okay. You see. Shh, wait for that moment. Wait for your perfect A plus setup. Some people call it A plus setup. I call it a good trade, a juicy trade. You see, it's breaking. If it breaks below, I can't trade. I can't take a sell right now at the moment. See. Okay. If it breaks below and wicks down and then retraces and then turns back to, if the color changes, okay, it's breaking slow, yes. You know, I usually don't get nervous while I'm on my phone when I'm getting a trade, but at the moment, because I'm live right now, and if I was having that thought in my mind that it will be recorded, it will be there on my channel on YouTube. If somebody's gonna see that in the future, mistakes, that's what will keep me, you know, staying on my rules. So it's going back. It's just 3 minutes left now. It's just 3 minutes now. One and a half minute, breaking the resistance, support, breaking support. If it breaks below, then, you know, then we will go, ooh, good boy. One minute for NYSE open, and anytime soon the baby might be coming. Haha. Anytime soon the baby might be coming. The trade might be happening. Oh my god. Okay, I don't like to put my support just with the body, like here. or I don't want to put here. I just wanna put it somewhere in the middle. So I'll be doing like this. So if it break below this, I will be potentially going for sells. And I think so. Okay, good. Retrace this back, and okay, okay. The market. Okay, if the market breaks below this, okay. If the market break below of this, I'm gonna go for sells. If the market $44.87.50. I have my sell stop over here. My stop loss goes back in the range for 3-4. Okay. My TP would be, if I'm getting any trade, if it closes, my TP would be around about some here, 44.76. This is my TP, my stop loss, 44.90, 44.94. 44.94 is going to be my stop loss. Okay. This is what my trade would look like if I get any trade, because it's volume. I have cleaner. I can get a TP to here, but I don't want to do that. Oh, forget it. I will do that. How many pips are there? Because I'm gonna. It's 130 pips. Okay. We should have some volume. We are having some volume. Back in the range. My SL is back in the range. My sell stop is placed over here. Whenever the market's gonna come to this point, my trade will be active, and then okay, the market's going back. Okay. Okay. See, I didn't just go for a sell. I waited for market to retrace back, and I wanted to come back down and break its own low, so that I know that the market's gonna go down. If not, then markets. I believe that markets should go down. I believe that markets should go down because it's big. Something that haunting me is that the previous candle is boom. It's full, like it didn't give the upper wick or lower wick. I don't like these kind of candles. There should be a wick, but there's no wick. But I'm gonna rely on the wick of this current candle. If it breaks the low of this candle, then my trade will be active. And okay, it's going up. And if it goes up, I have to close the orders. But my intuition, my gut feeling is saying that it should go down because the overall market is in the south, is bearish. Okay, it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're in the trade now. We're in the trade. I'm not gonna move my stop loss. I'm not gonna move my TP. I'm gonna see what if we are going to get from this market today. If it's a stop loss, it's a stop loss. If it's TP, it's a TP. Go. Okay. You shouldn't be doing this. You shouldn't be doing this. You broke your own low, bro. Bro. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't. Okay. Oh, that's a good boy. That's good. I like it. Go down, baby. You broke your own low. You should go down. Don't do that to me. I know you love me. I know you care. Okay, that's again, JB. I know you love me. I know you care. And we will never, ever be apart. Are we in Adam? Gosh, okay, I'm not gonna sing. Okay. Go down, baby, go down. Baby, go down. Baby, please. Trust me. You need to go down. You were meant to be. You were meant to go down. Okay. Why you keep playing with me? Why do you keep playing with me? Okay. I'm just gonna wait. Okay. Good boy. Break the low. Get low. This is my first stream and a live trade. Go down. It's an order filled. Okay. I like it. Go down. You should go down. You know, Gold, you're a good boy. And I trust you with my whole heart. You should go down. break your law and live your life. Break your law? Cold? Okay, we were about to break our law. Come on, man. Why do you keep playing with me? You find it funny? Giving me a mini heart attack? Well, you shouldn't be doing that. Go. I'm a good boy. Okay, I need to be serious. And Gold's getting serious with me. Okay. Okay. We are in profit. We are in profit. We are in profit. We are 10 pips down. We are no pip down. Okay, we are. Okay. Just next 5 minutes. I'm not gonna move my SL. I'm not gonna move my TP. Having self-control, what I was talking about, is the only thing I'm looking right now for. If there's volume, why the candle is jumping up and up and down, up and down? Go down. That's what you're doing. That's what you should do. Be a lion, roar like a lion, go down and kill those beasts. Yes, that's what I want you to do. Yes. Go down, my child. You were born to do like this. Roar like a lion. No matter what happens, go like a lion and grab the deer. You shouldn't go up, you should go down. It should go down. It's clean traffic. It's clean traffic. It's clean traffic, it should go down. Don't go back. Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that to me? I'm being a good boy. It's not a one on. It should go down. that, bro. Why? Like, you gave me such a beautiful setup, and you just closed bullish in a bearish trend. I should have looked for. Okay, forget it. If it's L, it's a L. I don't care. I won't move my SL. I won't move my TP. And we'll let the market run. My stop loss is $32. It's like 70 pips. And my TP is like 120 pips. It's like 1 into 2. You see, you were in New York session and you're having this doji candle, which is obviously not a good thing. Yeah, be a good boy. Go down. Everyone's watching gold. Okay, nobody's watching. Okay, nobody's watching. Yeah. Well, if it's an L, it's an L. What can we do now? I followed my rules. I followed everything. If gold is not there for me today, it might be for me tomorrow. Today might not be a good day. But I'm still not. I didn't hit my SL. I'm still waiting for the market to retrace back down. It's like this. Yeah. It should go down. I don't know why, but it should go down. Gold never lets you be happy for more than 5 minutes. I swear, gold is like, bro, come on, you can't happy. You can't be happy when I'm there in that room. It should go down, man. A bit. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's what I was saying. You're a good boy. Gold is a good boy. You know, when you're in trade, you don't bother with whether there's someone in on the stream watching you or not. It's just you and your trade, and you're just hoping that it turns out to be a good trade. That's it. We're still in the. I'm so surprised that this is New York Open, and the market is not moving like it should move. Like I'm in the trade from past 15 minutes now, and the market is still not doing what it should do. Yeah, that's what I was saying. You should go down. You're supposed to go down. You shouldn't be closing up above. Go down. I know you're a good boy. Everyone knows you're a good boy. Yeah, I know who's in the trade. I don't know why, but if the gold is breaking its law of the previous candle, then it might go down. But if it doesn't break that, I don't think so. It's going down because there's no volume, no volume. See the candles printing just side by side, side by side. Give us some volume. Go down. You should go down because you're retracing from a very good resistance. You're coming down from a very good resistance. You're coming down from here. You should go down to this level. I'm just asking you to give me this. Can't you even give me this at least? Oh. 65 pips. SL of 65 pips. TP of it's sometimes it's so frustrating, you know. The market is not doing what it's supposed to do. It's New York Open, and why isn't it going down, man? Broke your low. You should have gone down. I think you should go down. You broke the low for your last 5 minutes. You should break the low for 15 minutes as well. Then and only I will trust you, bro, for today. following my rules. I am following my setup. I'm not gonna leave. Let's see, gold will play out in my favor or not. If I go for 1:1 ratio, my TP should be about this. Okay, for now I'm gonna go for 1:1 ratio. I don't want more, I don't want this. Just 1:1 ratio. I'm gonna get it. You should break your low, man. Yeah, you're bound to break the low. Go down. Go down, man. What in the name are you doing? Come on. You just came back from the freaking Wickfield. Go down, man. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, you broke you broke your low, man. I like it. Should I close it? Because I'm 20. I'm good. I'm gonna close. It's 1:1. It was a big fail. I just had to do it. I had a gut feeling that it might won't go down because it's rejecting this. It might go down. It won't go down. I don't care. I got 40 pips out of that, and it's more than enough. In the beginning, you need to have 10, 20 pips because you're winning against the whole market. You just won against the whole market. You know, there are millions of traders out there, and they're trying to make you fool. And you know, I don't care whether it goes it goes up, it goes down. I don't care now. I'm done for the day. I did 18, 19. Okay, that's good. That's good. I'm going. Market will go down, but 40 pips is I guess it's a good win. I don't care. I don't care whatever it goes now. Okay. So I will head off. We had a W day. We waited so long, and we won a trade in our first live. How awesome is that? Keep following your rules, and 40 pips are down. First day of the trading live, and you get 40 pips. 40 pips are way more than enough for a person like me, for beginner. That's enough. So I would call it for the day. It was good. I think so. You liked it as well. I took 40 pips. It's something's better than nothing. Even though the market's still falling, but I'm done. So we'll catch tomorrow at the same time. We wanna trade today. We're gonna win tomorrow as well. The reason I closed the trade after the wick fell is because we had a big wick, and it just filled the wick, and I had to stop for the wick fill because the rejection was good. It broke. It closed in bullish candle, so I had to close it no matter what happens. I know I moved my TP from there to that, but as long as you go close in profit, fine, you're good to go, man. It's okay. It's okay. I got 40 pips. That's more than enough. It's going down. I don't care. Gold, you did your best today. You did your best. And I like that. I like that. The market was clean. My setup. This is how I took trade. I marked my resistance over here, support over here. The candle broke below. Okay, I'm gonna journal it as well. I'm gonna journal afterwards, but broke the support on 15-minute and closed below, and the next candle had it a little push down, and then it retraces back to give me the point where I should place my SL. It keeps bumping up and there, and then it closed bullish. I should have closed 50% of that just to have my risk management in an efficient way, but I didn't do that because I knew it was a small body. The wick is big to be filled, so that's why I let the market fill the wick, and then I closed the trade. That's what I wanted. How I won against the market, the big bulls. I'm down for today, so I'm gonna come tomorrow live as well. It was a win today. Let's see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow. And we're gonna keep streaming